Welcome traders. I hope you're doing great with your life and with your trades, and I'm hoping that you had a great day yesterday. So from today onwards, I'm going to I'm going to do the technical analysis of the gold as well. So I'm adding up one more instrument, uh, that is gold. So from the day from today, the date is 27 December 2023. I'm going to analyze. I'm going to provide you the technicals of gold daily, because I'm an intraday trader, I'm a day trader, scalper. So yeah, that was it for the intro, and without any further ado, let's jump into the session. But use proper risk management, traders, and I will provide you the analysis only. You have to use proper risk management. The profit and loss is yours, depends upon the how you are trading and how much you are positioning your trade. So this is the gold 50-minute time frame. The current price of the gold is $2,065, and what I can see, okay, a little bit of zoom in. Market is in uptrend continuously. Where the market is in uptrend continuously. Okay, let me draw the levels, because I will draw these levels, then we will discuss the things. Okay. We're having major supply here. The major supply here we're having the 50-minute time frame, major supply. Okay, so how we can go for the trades? We having the major demand here. So the major demand area you are seeing, you can see this major demand area. Major demand area, and the levels will be, major supply level is $2,069, and the major demand area will be $2,053. Okay, so this is the 50-minute time frame. I'm repeating again, we having this thing here like this. It's continuously in uptrend. Yes, okay. Market is continuously in uptrend. We can have, okay, this is a 50-minute time frame. Now how we can look for the trades and how we are going to, okay, let me see any pivot. Are we having any pivots here? So first of all, in the longer time frame, I will discuss with you trades, but I'm a scalper, as I told you. I can't hold this much trade, Major demand area will be this level. Okay, this will be the level. So the traders who are holding their trades and how they can enter the trades. First of all, for the long, wait for the breakout of this supply, wait for the retesting of this level, and then put your trade and your targets. How you are going to put your target based on the 1:2 risk to reward ratio, 1:2 risk to reward ratio strategy. Based on the pivots, you can use the pivots. Okay, we having here the supply area like this. We having here minimum target, you can achieve this level, pivot supply. Sorry, pivot supply. It's the 15-minute pivot supply, and how you can going to enter the trade. Wait for the breakout, wait for the retesting, and then enter at the lower time frame, and then put your trades like this, and you will get easily 1:2 risk to reward ratio, get out of the market. This will going to be your trade, okay, for the long. But it's on the for the traders who are holding their trades. And for the shorts, how you can you are going to trade. Wait for the breakout of this level, wait for the price to break this level as well, the major demand area. Wait for a little bit of pullback, enter your trade for the short, and your target will be $2,017 like this. Enter your trades at the pullback, put your SL above the recent swing lows, and put your target like this. This is the 15-minute time frame analysis, and hoping that you are getting something, because I was creating the gold analysis first, but I stopped it then. But I'm now in starting the things. That was 15-minute time frame analysis, and yeah, let's shift now to the little bit lower time frame analysis, and let's see that 5-minute time frame, what's happening and how. 5-minute time frame, we are seeing that the pattern is creating. It's at the demand area like this. It's at the retesting level. Okay, how you can enter your trades, it's the minor demand area, and the level is, what is the level is $2064, and it's the creation of the double top pattern like this at the major supply area. If this level breaks out, wait for a little bit of pullback, because we having here support area also. Wait for the breakout of this level, little bit of pullback. If the market gives pullback, read the price action here at this level, at the retesting level. If you are looking that sellers are getting activated, put your trades, and your target will be like this. This will be the first target. And if you are, because in the multi-time frame analysis we have seen that in the 50-minute time frame what can the things can do. It will wait for the breakout and again retesting, and the 50-minute by this traders will going to enter, and you can hold your trades up to this level for the larger time frame. But if you are a scalper, get out of here, because you can't hold the trades like that if you are a scalper. So this is all about the right now for the gold, and I have showed the everything. Now for the long strategy is simple. Wait for the breakout of this level, then the price will going to hit, if the price give a little bit of pullback, read the price action here, put the trade, and your target will be a pivot supply, and this will be the $2080 will be the target, and put your trades like this, and put your SL below the swing, and put your target like this, and that's how you are going to enter the trade. I have discussed everything with you guys, and put your SL above this level for the short, and you can get this level of trade, but you will get risk to reward ratio of this thing very small. But if you will enter above, after breakout of this major demand and after the SL, and you can get a good decent amount of risk to reward ratio. But this will not be the scalp trade. It will take a little bit of time to hit enter to the trade. So that was it for the day, and I will see you tomorrow with another technical analysis. Till then, take care, keep trading, keep growing, and never give up in trading. Thank you so much.